Good morning. It's Wednesday, April 19th. Sorry. I am headed to drop the children off. I have my breakfast right here and my coffee right there. I slept really good last night. How did you sleep, Alana Chanel? Good. How'd you sleep, Christopher? Good. You were sleeping really good. I had to wake Christopher up. Oh, that is good. Yep, it's in your backpack. So I said, had to drop the kids off. Chris is at work. I will start work once I get home. It's gonna be a good day. All right, so my hair looks a mess.
I messed it up.
With our workout at the gym, yeah.
Oh, okay.
We are headed to go pick up the kids, and it is 5 o'clock. Alana has dance class in 25 minutes, and we still have to go pick up Christopher.
She's normally late anyway.
No, she's not.
She is.
We have to go pick up Christopher, Jacob,
He's gonna be so
and
excited.
Alana. We went to the gym and worked out and had a really good workout.
Yeah. That's a lot of testosterone and estrogen.
My hair looks a mess. Oh my gosh.
Woo!
But
Play, girl.
I have to clock back into work and do some more hours once we get back home. We shall see how that goes, considering it'll be almost bedtime.
Some lightning over there.
Some lightning. So, yeah, I just had to go get the children. How was your day at work, Boo?
It's good. It's good. Productive. So. Very productive. We have an employee that's retiring tomorrow, so we're gonna
We gotta go to
celebrate
Sam's
that.
Club.
Yep, we're gonna celebrate that, and very, very hard worker, good guy. So he's gonna be missed, that's for sure. Yeah. So that's what's going on. It's TGIT.
Tomorrow. Tonight,
Which, you know,
Designated Survivor.
And I seen the little preview, whatever they put on
For
there,
what?
where he for Designated Survivor.
I haven't seen anything.
Well, I just saw the preview, and it shows that he gets a little loud in this one.
Oh, he told everybody to sit down?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that.
Sit down, and somebody was like, "Shut up."
Yeah.
That's what he said.
Thursdays, I really only have TGIT. I only have Scandal, really. Thursdays now.
Yeah.
Watch my Scandal. Last week's was okay. So last week?
Yeah. No, you hadn't caught up all the way up.
No, I don't know.
Well, you didn't say it wasn't. You said it wasn't all that great, right?
I
You
think
said it was
so.
all that great.
Yeah, that was the one where she flashed back as if she didn't.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
As
that's
if she got married to Fitz rather than him coming president.
Yeah, it was okay.
And
Because I'm Team Jake.
was it a couple years ago that she wanted to go as Fitz and Olivia?
We're still going to go as Fitz and Olivia. Yeah, we are.
No.
We're
I'm
going to
gonna
get
have to hit you
invited.
with that. No.
We are going to get invited to a Halloween party, and I'm going to be Olivia, and he's going to be Fitz. Okay, that's simple as that.
I'm sorry, but Olivia's a bit of a hoo-hoo. Okay. How many dudes she come after? Okay. She's come after several dudes on this show.
No, they've
it's
come
not
after
just like
her.
one and done. Or I
They've come
found.
after her.
Nah.
Yeah.
No. No, we've seen by this show that Olivia is the go-getter. She gets what she wants, right?
Yeah, she gets what she wants.
All right, then. So...
You want to get our child?
Yeah, I'll go get Griever.
sleeper.
Better watch out, lady. Look at this cat right here. You ready to lie to somebody. Get ready
All
to
these
lunch.
animals.
I had to tell you what I saw up there the other day.
The mosquitoes.
Now, let me tell you. Mommy!
Hi! Whoops. Where Lana at?
You gonna put that right here? Hold on, no. Sit back. Sit back. She's not hiding up under there.
We have to go get Lana.
No. No.
You don't want to go get Lana?
Okay, let me see that there, yo.
Cat. Good job. Christopher, what does the line on your shirt say?
Rawr.
Remember?
Rawr. Rawr. Hey, what's that about?
They've both had this cough for the past week.
Huh?
They've had a cough for over a week now. We have our son now off to get our daughter, who will be waiting for dance class.
Which we usually are.
No, we're not. Is it good, Christopher?
Anna's gonna get mad because we don't stay and watch her.
Yeah.
Even though we can't see her.
I can feel my abs hurting too.
It's good. It's good. That's what we want.
She's gonna be like, where have you guys been?
Mom, I have been waiting. Yes.
She did take some things to do today, though.
What'd she take?
Coloring, I think it was. You didn't give mommy a kiss.
Blow mommy a kiss. Blow her a kiss. There you go.
Mwah! Thank you. Is your grape good? Yes. How many do you have? You share with mommy? Give me one. Give mommy a grape. What you talking about with us?
He gonna give you the smallest one too.
This is what he gives me. That's the grape he gives me.
You don't need a big one.
Yes, baby. You want cup? Here's your cup. So he has a toy truck back there. I guess we're into that phase now where he wants to bring a toy wherever he goes. So this should be fun. I probably won't let him take it into daycare because I don't want to forget it. Yeah. I slept pretty decently last night. Had to come back in yesterday after dance class and things to do a few more hours of work, but I did a few more hours. It just didn't work out as I planned, so I have to go back in and do a few more things from yesterday. Yes, we were going to the gym today. Chris and I are we're gonna go to the gym every day. Yesterday we had a really good workout. I'm feeling it today. I thought my arms would be more sore than what they are, but I guess tomorrow today I'll push myself even harder. What? You shouldn't have threw it. What? I can't get it. How'd you sleep, Alana Chanel? Good. I had to well, I didn't wake up. Before I went to sleep, she was coughing so much, I had to give her some cough medicine. So she said that helped her, so I gave her some more this morning. Then Christopher, he didn't cough as much last night. Christopher, how'd you sleep last night? Good. You drop your toy truck? What you drop? Oh, okay. But we had a good night yesterday we had dance class. Alana has finally started learning her dance. Singing as recital is June 10th. Figured they should have started learning it already. Yes. What sound does the lion make? What sound does the lion make? Roar. What sound does the cow make? Moo. So lion goes roar. And cow goes moo.
What sound does the monkey make?
Ooh, ooh, ah, So I guess since he's not learning at daycare, we'll be teaching him things, and I'm gonna. Don't try to act like you don't see me. Where's your lunch? I almost forgot your lunch. Get out. Give Lana kisses. You don't need to take your truck. Why you want to take your truck? Say bye, Lana.
Mommy, when CJ gets out, put it back in.
Huh?
When CJ gets out, put it back in.
What?
When CJ gets out, put the truck back in.
Come on, big boy. Oh, you got a stick, huh? Come on. May, I think in May we're supposed to go camping as a family. All of us, so that'll be fun. And in July, we are going to go to New Orleans, me and Chris, for my birthday. New Orleans. So, and we'll take a little small family vacation when Alana goes on fall break. Alana, I want to be with my husband on my birthday. You guys may not even be out here. It's one of those mornings, I guess. Her feelings are hurt. She's back there crying. But not much is going on. I guess I'll talk to her about what's going on with me and my birthday. So.
Next birthday, I'm going to Hawaii with you. Not this birthday.
Well, I didn't say that. You said 32nd birthday, and that's fine. We'll go on the 32nd birthday to Hawaii. Okay? All right. As long as you agree to that.
And we have to cross the ocean.
That's cool. That's cool.
So do we go on a plane or do we go on a plane and a ship?
No, we'll go on the plane. Yeah, we'll go on the plane. We'll go 5 hours to Los Angeles.
It's
We're out
4.
there 4, and then 5 over the ocean to Hawaii.
So we're taking a ship.
No. Who said anything about a ship?
I want to take a ship.
You don't take ships to Hawaii, do you?
But
But it costs like $2,000 per
Yeah,
person.
we're not doing all
And
that.
that's an indoor room.
Yeah. So, for Mommy's 32nd birthday, Alana wants to go to Hawaii. She says she's going with us.
For my 32nd.
32nd birthday.
our guys' video recording it.
32nd. You have it on video. Video proof, right?
So when Mommy's 37th birthday comes, we can watch it. So if you guys forget,
Okay. I don't think
We won't forget.
we won't forget. We won't forget. Because we're going to be calling her 32nd birthday. Shake hands with her, babe. On 32nd birthday, we're taking you to Hawaii. All right. That's when you said it. But you see, the problem is, Alana, it's Mommy's 31st birthday we're going to Hawaii, not the 32nd. So, we won't have to go there. Sorry, Lana. It's your world, girl. We just living in it. It's your world. You done shook on it, too. That's what you said earlier.
Next year.
That's what you said earlier, Lana.
How old will I be next year? How old am I turning this birthday? So how old will I turn next year?
Mommy.
So we'll be going to Hawaii on her which birthday? Huh? You said 32nd, Ben? No.
I said next year. What you do? You go potty? You go poopy?
You going
go
where?
Poopy.
Don't smell nothing.
He said you go.
You went poopy, Quidfer? You gonna act like you sleep? Huh? You said 32nd though. We already shook on it and everything. Hopefully they got some spots on the kids zone. Kids zone. Look at this, babe. No Gold's Gym parking. And what is he doing? Unacceptable, bro. Just because you have tattoos doesn't mean you can park there, bro.
He's a rebel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you're tatted up.
We're not gonna break the law. We don't want our car touched.
Dad was telling me we came here earlier, you know, this is all their parking. And so they have a big truck and then a trailer that they pull.
Who,
And the Marine Corps. Yeah.
The recruiters?
Yeah. And so what they did was they went over there and they took up about 8 spots in Gold's Gym parking lot. So,
no.
yeah, right over here where Dad usually tries to park. Yeah. So they were retaliating. Instead of calling somebody and having their cars towed, they were just retaliating and taking up all the spots.
You spinning my ring around? No, you're not. Oh.
We shall see. What?
We may not get no.
You go to park right here.
We may not get no what you go today. So we noticed on Saturday that there was a bird sitting up here, and Chris just came up here and looked, and there's the baby birds. We saw the nest. Now there's the baby bird. You say night night. Say goodnight.